In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Travis County. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Travis County website. Using the official county site is important because it helps make sure you are in the right place to handle your payment securely and avoid unofficial third-party pages. Once the website loads, look over to the left-hand side of the page and click on Criminal/Traffic. This section is where Travis County groups information related to traffic citations and related court services, so it's the right place to begin if you need to pay a ticket online. After that, find and click the Pay Online 24/7 option. Depending on how the page is laid out, you may see this option more than once as you move through the traffic payment area. If you do, just continue selecting Pay Online 24/7 when prompted. This will guide you toward the online payment portal. Next, click on Pay Online Now. This takes you one step closer to the actual payment system. On the following page, select JP3 Online Payments. This is the option you'll use if your ticket is being handled through Justice of the Peace Precinct 3, so make sure that matches the details of your citation before continuing. Once you're in the payment portal, search for your case using your driver's license or ID card number. Carefully enter the number exactly as requested. It's a good idea to double check for typos here, because even a small mistake can keep your ticket from appearing in the search results. When you've entered the information, click Search. The system will then look for any matching records tied to the information you provided. If your case appears, you can review it and move ahead. If you can't find your driver's license or ID card number, don't worry. The portal may offer other search options to help you locate your ticket. Review those alternatives on the page and choose the one that best matches the information you have available. Once you've found your case, you can proceed to payment. Take a moment to confirm that the citation details are correct before submitting anything. Then continue through the payment steps shown on the screen. As a final tip, after your payment is complete, save or print your confirmation for your records. That way you'll have proof of payment if you need it later. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Travis County.